Okay, talking about stem changes and spelling here. So the learning target, I will use the correct spelling of the preterite tense to talk about actions in the past. So AR and ER verbs do not have stem changes in the preterite, which means they're going to be spelled like how you would think they would be spelled. Only IR verbs that have a stem change in the present tense only have one letter stem change in the preterite, and it's only in third person. So we have third person singular here and third person plural, right? Durmió, durmieron. Other than that, it's saying that the other parts of the conjugations, the other conjugations are going to follow the normal pattern. Dormir, and then you just change the endings. So talking about orthographic spelling changes. Remember that you cannot change the sound of a letter by conjugating. So spelling changes occur to keep the same sound. So it seems all weird, but really it's because we want it to sound the same. Let's look at what we mean here. So this will happen with verbs ending or that have, like towards the end, a C, a G, and a Z in AR verbs. Okay, and the reason for that is because if you put a C or a G, for example, next to an I or an E, like once you change that ending, right, it becomes a soft C or G, like cielo or general. It changes it. So if you look at it, even though it looks confusing over here, the QU keeps the same sound as a hard C, k, k. The GU keeps the same sound as a hard G, g, g. Okay, and the Z becomes a C. Okay, so let's look at this example. So we have the verb jugar. So it's a GAR ending verb, right? If we just put the preterite ending, we'd have J-U-G-E. And that would sound like kind of weird. It would sound like juge, juge, right? Because that G would be a soft G. So once we add that U spelling, it keeps the integrity. It keeps the same sound. G, jugué, jugaste, jugó, jugamos, jugaron. And you can see none of the other ones are changed because they all are next to an A or an O, which keeps that G as a G anyways. Okay, let's do some extra practice here. So we have caminar in the yo form. Let's put that, this is all preterite here, right? How would you say I walked? I walked in the preterite. Caminé. They ran. Corrieron. Nosotros bucear. We scuba dived. Buceamos. Buceamos. Beber, tú. You drank. Bebiste. Él bailar. So he danced. Bailó. Ella and lavar. So she washed. Lavó. Ustedes escribir. So you guys wrote. Escribieron. Nosotras pasar. Pasamos. And yo, jugar. We just looked at this one. Jugué. Now you will notice that the nosotros form in the preterite is going to be very similar to the nosotros form in the present tense, and that's okay. It would be completely understood in context when you're speaking to someone if it's past, if this happened yesterday, or in the present. Just like in English, for example, the word read or read, it's spelled the exact same way, right? But we understand which one it is in the context when we're reading especially. Okay, please complete the questions for this activity now.